In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close billing account in Google Cloud. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Closing a billing account immediately stops new charges and can suspend resources on any projects still linked to that account. Make sure you have the right permissions, typically a billing administrator role, and be aware that any outstanding invoices still need to be paid even after you close the account. Start by opening the Google Cloud console in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, look toward the top left of the page for the three horizontal lines, often called the navigation or hamburger menu. Click that to open the main menu. From the menu, choose Billing. This takes you into the billing section for your current context. Here, select Manage Billing Accounts. If you have multiple billing accounts, you'll see them listed. Choose the specific account you want to close. It's important to double check that you've selected the correct one, especially in larger organizations. Inside the billing account view, look for the option to close or cancel the billing account. Depending on your interface, the button may read Close Billing Account or Cancel Billing. Click it. You'll see a confirmation dialog that outlines what happens next. Read the warnings carefully, then confirm to proceed. If you have any unpaid charges, Google Cloud may prompt you to resolve them first. Next, it's a good idea to review which projects were linked to that billing account. Click your projects to see the list associated with the account you just closed. Projects that remain linked to a closed billing account can have services paused, so this page helps you verify the impact. If something mission critical appears, you'll want to ensure it's moved to an active billing account to keep running. If you don't immediately see the projects you expect, use the organization selector at the top of the console to switch to the relevant organization or folder. This selector helps you view the correct scope so you can confirm all affected projects. Finally, return to your billing accounts to confirm the status has updated. Closed accounts should show as closed or inactive, and you shouldn't see new charges accruing. Keep in mind that closing an account doesn't delete your data or invoices. You can still access billing history, and some accounts can be reopened later if your organization's policies allow it. For peace of mind, consider downloading recent invoices and usage reports, and set up budgets and alerts on any active billing accounts to prevent unexpected costs going forward.